How's it going, big guy?
Good. Yeah, know it.
Which one was your favourite car?
This blue stock car.
Have we got some dad and lad jokes?
Yeah.
Come on, give my subscribers a good joke.
Why did the starfish blush? Why did the starfish blush?
I don't know, why did the starfish blush?
Because the seaweed.
Bum. Hi, you funny guy. That was such a good joke. New Zealand has an amazing classic car culture, and today is a very special day. In the North Island of New Zealand, in a place called Whangamata, is the Beach Hop Show, and there are lots and lots, hundreds of beautiful classic cars all around. So I thought, what better than bring my camera along and with these classic cars shoot them on my film camera. Right here, Hasselblad, Portra 400, doing the thing, taking some shots. Check all these people out. It's a beautiful day. Let's get into it.
That old car. Dad, that old car there.
Yes, quite.
Which one's your favourite car?
Dinoco. There's a fire in that field.
I know, I see that.
Take the dart slide out. It's a beautiful looking car. nice, Eddie.
Tastes like strawberry. And just strawberry ice cream instead of chocolate sprinkles. What do you give me, Mum? A flake. A flake. A chocolate flake instead of chocolate sprinkles.
So I've kept it really simple today. We're shooting Portra 400 and Fuji Pro 400H, and I've got this awesome little app on my iPhone called Viewfinder. It's quite cool because it helps me find compositions, but it's also got a light meter in it. So I've been using that for my light meter, and I've been overexposing by 2 or 3 stops because we've got the nice blue skies today, so I really want to try and get that washed out look. I think it could look quite cool with the colours of the cars. And there's some beautiful colours of cars out there. So we're just walking up to another location where we think there's some more vehicles. Check some more.
Choo choo, choo choo. Dad, can we take a look at some more cars? Choo choo, choo choo. This pink car was made out of January. Ooh, he just took a photo of January.
So that's it for today's video. It's been fun. We've seen some awesome cars. We've shot 3 loads of film, and me and the family are going to make our way over to the beach now and check out Whangamata Beach. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost anything, supports the channel, and I hope you like the photos. See you next time. Bye for now.